Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about something that's essential for all teachers: how to create a positive learning environment in your classroom. A positive learning environment is one where students feel safe, supported and motivated to learn. It's the foundation for a successful and enjoyable classroom experience for teachers and students. In this video, we'll discuss some key tips to create a positive learning environment and how you can implement this into your own classroom.
One of the most important things is to establish routines and expectations. This helps students to know what to expect and how to behave in your classroom. It also creates a sense of stability and predictability, which can help students to feel more comfortable and relaxed. Another important element is to be a passionate and relatable teacher. Students are more likely to be engaged and motivated to learn if they feel that their teacher is passionate about what they are teaching. It's also important to be relatable to your students and to show them that you care about them as individuals. Students should also feel safe and supported in your classroom. This means creating a space where students feel comfortable taking risks, asking questions, making mistakes. It also means being respectful of all students and creating a culture of inclusion. Finally, it's important to give students choices and encourage them to participate in their learning. This can help students to feel more invested in their education and to take ownership of their learning.
I hope this video has given you some tips on creating a positive learning environment in your classroom. By following these tips, you can create an environment where students feel safe, supported and motivated to learn. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!